Hello, welcome to video tutorial number 4. In this video tutorial I will show you how to categorize and how to the product master, both options I will show you in this video. Category means I can show you here. Category means your basic items. For example, category like garments, one category, beverages, one category, groceries, one category, yani beauty products. Fish products, fish means seafood, one category. In the seafood itself, different products will be there. So such kind of cosmetics, one category. So this way you can add a new category also. For example, food, fast food. Fast food, you can select the button color as well over here. Button color for what I will show you. This one I just saved over here. And I will show you what is category basically. Just I will log out from here and I will go to the front panel, the sales panel. 1, 2, 3, 4, go to POS. This is the categories. This is the one. See, this is categories. If I click on beverages related product, it will display over here. Body care products will display over here. Dresses and electronics, like that, it will be over there. So here I will go to logout from here, logout 1, 2, 3, 4. Again I go to the back office. So the categories as we seen in the front office, this is the categories. You can create or rename whatever or delete whatever you need to do, you can do in the categories. So next thing is very important is the product master. This is very important in POS Billing software. In the product master you will see the one page where I will add one product over here so that you will get more idea about this one. For example, I added sugar. Sugar India I just added. Even any other regional language something is there, you can add it over here. And here you can see I just added the fast food I added here, no? Because here you can see fast food. Sugar is not, of course, not a fast food, but I putting in that category so that it will come into the front office. You can see that one. Or in the tax percentage, as we said before, if you have 0 tax, you can mention 0 tax. Or this is one we seen in, I think, in the video tutorial number 1 or 2. And unit, of course, pieces we have added last time. kg is their example. Okay. And purchase cost, for example, $10, something like that per kg. Sale unit also in kg, and retail cost, for example, $20, very good profits. And wholesale cost, if for example $15 you are selling wholesales, and reorder point, for example 2 kg. Yani size and color, if you need, you can mention the size and color, of course. And supplier name, I just selected Raintech. You can add a supplier over here with clicking the new green color button. And the stock I mentioned over here. See, I can mention here, for example, 100 kg I have. And expiry date, manufacturing date, expiry date, we can add it over here, and you will get the report as well. Storage type, where you are storing, and warehouse, if you have, you can mention over there, no issues. And I just click on any save button. Very simple way you can save it. Here the save button, you can see I successfully saved. And see, this is a Sugar India. Okay, I just added in the fast food. I just log out from here. I just log out. Let me show you that product immediately added in the front office. Here you can see in the front office, in the here you will go in the fast food selection. See the sugar, you can see over here. See the 20 rupees retail, you can see over here retail. Okay, if I am clicking a new, if I am selecting the wholesale button over here in the top, I click on wholesale. Again I am putting sugar. It's coming on 15 rupees. Reason why we have two options in this software. Wholesale and retail, both options are there. Immediately you can press the F2 button in the keyboard and F1 button again and enter. Of course you will get the invoices, the receipt. You will see the receipt over here. See the beautiful receipt you will get. Sugar, I just mentioned over here, sugar. So this way you can create the invoices. Very simple way you can add the product. Now in this video tutorial we seen how to add one product, but many cases we cannot add one by one product. We have too much of products in our shop, so we can upload the product through Excel sheet. That we will see in the video tutorial number 5. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye.